Alright, I'm gonna like see if I can snip all this off. I gotta say, these things are very thick. So this is actually you will need glue to glue this together. And some of the pieces, definitely these little supports are a lot thicker than I thought they would be. Let's get everything taken apart. Okay, so as you can see, oh, that went flying. All right, let's see if I can get these cut flush. They are a little thicker than I thought they would be. I think I got that one. All right, let's do this one. I really like these card kits. Sometimes they don't come out that looking that good. Got to adjust. Especially this one. This one actually needed supports for the different areas, which is okay, but the finer details didn't come out looking that good. So I got that wing, that wing, that wing, and then this one. Maybe I should have printed this just individual parts instead of on a card kit, but I wouldn't have these things right here. Probably need to go back and reprint this. So these things actually go onto there. And just broke it off. Guess it doesn't go all the way down. I'm gonna have to reprint that. Let me see what happened. Kinda broke off. Anyways, alright, so let me get, ooh. That one is really into the nozzle, or into the front. Alright, gotta figure out what I'm doing, how this is going to be put together. Got one of the fuselages, the middle piece. I think I'm gonna reprint this, but there's a different version with multicolor. Oh yeah, see, I wish they would have thought about that. That is definitely needs sanding or something with that. Okay, and this one. So FYI, I'm a very big amateur on YouTube videoing, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is coming off really nicely. I'm already gonna have to reprint one of them, but... And the other one flew off somewhere on the ground. As you can see, there's a little bit too much. Alright, let's see. This goes on here. Don't push it on. And these, I believe they go to, oh look at that, where the thing was. Oh, I got one in the back. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I believe these can go in here. Ah, yeah, okay, first things first. Let's get the E6000. I don't have no crackle glue, but I have some E6000, so I'm gonna take a little bit of it and just put it on there and swipe it all the way down. I know there's probably a better way to do this. And then we just take it and we put it together just like that. Make sure it lines up. Definitely. No, this is just a hobby, you know? I'm not trying to do this professionally. Yeah, I know super glue might have been better, but I don't have none on me right now. Okay, so the next part, so I want to see if these, yeah, okay. The longer one goes down here. No. Are these different? No, they're the same size, so what's going on here? Oh, no. Oh, I see. Is it supposed to be upside down? I don't get it. I know that goes in here. No problem. And then this one, does it go? No, it doesn't go up here. This, oh, okay. One of them goes, let's see. Do they look different? No, they look exactly the same. Okay, well, I do notice this. Okay. So get some of the I need a towel or something. I don't know where the napkin is. Alright, so this is here. It's still kind of pliable. And then put this in here. Getting the E6000 everywhere. Oh, that came off. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna hit pause. How do I pause? See, I'm total noob. I don't even know how to pause this thing. Pause. Okay, I'm back. I got this thing so that way I can spread this a little better. Also, I wipe my fingers. So I'm gonna get the tops first. Definitely not a professional. Look at that. Got it everywhere. Alright, I guess just choose one. Alright, looking okay. I don't think it's gonna stay in there. Can I put it this way? Yeah, I'm gonna put it this way. And then I guess these go on the bottom. Yeah, it goes on the bottom. Kinda. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna do that. So basically, looks like I'm gonna have to hold it. My mat is exactly not flat. And off it comes. It's gonna take a little while for the E6000 to get hard enough to keep it from falling off. But the good news is actually it works really good once it holds everything in place. So I'm used to more or less snap in place ones. There we go. All right, now just gotta position them and then keep them in that place. Keep them where they belong for at least 20 minutes or so. All right, I'm gonna come back. Okay, so it kind of stopped. See, this is what it looks like now. I reprinted these, and they're a little bit too loose now, but that's how it goes. To me, Supports could have been a little less. Also, these, you look right here, the fuselage. Try to support it. I didn't like this because it actually didn't print some of them flat, and it left marks. But I mean, that's fine. Whatever. This is not a display model. This is just for fun. I would reprint, definitely. I'm gonna try this. There's a different model that has a dual color. I think I'm gonna try it in the dual color. Needs a stand. There's also a kit card like this that has a stand. But yeah, that's it. That's good. Looks like it's not a display piece. It's just for fun. That's how you put that kit card together. Thank you. Have a good one.